Hi, this is Catherine from A Car Full of Kids, and I'm here to show you my room at the Artesian Hotel in Sulphur, Oklahoma. It's part of the Chickasaw Nation. So let's walk around. It's a new hotel, years, but it is a historic location. And so they're known for their artesian wells. So this is the bathroom. To show you the penny tile, it's really nice. Got a travertine surround, one vanity. Don't have a tub, but look at this yummy shower. Again, travertine, penny tile. And there's not actually a light in there, that's a reflection, but it's a nice large shower head. Take a look. There's toiletries. Again, I'm at the Artesian Hotel. Let me show you some of the really nice touches here. I love this armoire with the kind of gilded mirrored front. Opening it up with some nice glass pulls. Safe. There's an ironing board. It's kind of dark, but some drawers down there. Got a corner room. So there's the original hotel. There's art. Now look at this yummy armchair. The plush velveteen and a nice kind of slatey blue. Got a king bed today. Upholstered headboard. It's kind of a nice blend of a modern touch in the middle of a historic property. I like that. I don't have a USB charging station right there, but there is a couple of outlets, and there isn't one on the side. Got very updated white linens, mushroom colored bolster, and then a nice embroidered coverlet. But I really love this feature. I would call it a reading alcove. And of course, a chandelier. I love that. Let's get a little closer because I brought a book with me. I don't have the kids. I'm traveling alone. So of course I brought a book because I have an opportunity to read, but you know I'm going to be right there, those pillows reading. So there's three pretty large windows. And so there's a little space on the side. And there's some nice pretty shears. And then of course, some velveteen blackouts. So that's really nice. Let's come over here and look at. This is a really kind of yummy feature. Is we have this upholstered treatment here on the wall. It almost looks like, you know, it mirrors the headboard. It's your television. Nice place to work. It's a couple of waters. It's Artesian. It's known for their water. And then today we went to the chocolate factory here. And they have a couple of chocolates. These are the mint. My favorite are the raspberry dark chocolate. So in-room coffee, always nice. Ice bucket. We got a refrigerator. It's nice. A nice lamp.